Hello, Yahya. Are you ready for a rapid fire questions?
Yes.
Okay. What is the effect of beta blocker and kidney?
In kidney, beta blockers actually act on the juxtaglomerular apparatus, and therefore angiotensin 2 will not be formed and it causes vasodilation.
Okay. What is the effect of beta blocker on hepatocytes?
On hepatocytes, the beta blocker action actually it masks the hypoglycemic effect, so it is very dangerous for diabetic patients.
Okay. What are the adverse effects of beta blockers?
It is known as Death Star, right? And it is a precaution as well. And very famous side effect of beta blocker is the erectile dysfunction, right? And we should take care in diabetic patients, also the neurological disorders like if there is depression or anxiety. And we should take care in asthma, also in Raynaud disease, and the last one is bradyarrhythmia. So these 5 conditions, these we should take care by using.
What will be the treatment option for Dead Star?
Calcium channel blockers.
Calcium channel blockers.
Yes.
What is the difference between the action of verapamil and diltiazem?
Verapamil and diltiazem. Yeah.
Yes or no?
Somehow yes.
Okay.
Yeah, because it has dual action on heart as well as on the blood vessels.
Okay.
Right? Equal action.
Verapamil and diltiazem have equal action, but diltiazem have a less pronounced negative inotropic effect on the heart.
On the heart, yes.
This is the main difference.
Yes.
Okay. What is the common side effect of verapamil?
Cough, edema, right? These are very common side effects.
Constipation.
And constipation.
Good.
Yes.
Okay. What are the therapeutic uses of spironolactone?
Well, it is used in hyperaldosteronism, it is used in PCOS, it is used in ascites as well. Yeah.
Resistant hypertension.
And resistant hypertension. Yes.
Okay.
400
Good.
is the dose.
Okay, tell me something about indapamide. What is the counseling point for indapamide?
Yes, grape juice and banana.
Potassium rich food.
Rich food.
Okay. What is the counseling point for amiodarone?
Amiodarone counseling point is that it causes photosensitivity, so there should be like you should use sun blocker with it, which must, right? And it can cause QT prolongation, right? So we should take care in
Okay.
that as well.
What are the precautions for thiazide diuretics?
Thiazide diuretics, it shouldn't be used in diabetic patients
And
gout patients because it retains calcium as well as uric acid, right? And it causes hyperglycemia.
okay, so thiazide diuretics are good for the osteoporosis patient, but not good for the diabetic and gout patient.
And gout patient.
Okay. What are the uses of furosemide? In which case it is the drug of choice?
Yes, furosemide is the drug of choice in edema. It can be pulmonary edema or it can be pedal edema, right? It is the drug of choice.
Okay. Beta blockers are used in the prophylaxis of migraine. Yes or no?
Prophylaxis of migraine. It is used as a prophylactic agent.
Okay.
Yeah.
In which case ciprofloxacin is a life-saving drug.
It is in cystic fibrosis in children.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. Drug of choice in otitis media.
Amoxicillin.
Good. Moxifloxacin is used in which case?
In respiratory tract infection, right? But it cannot be used in urinary tract because the route of administration is totally through renal.
Yes. Okay. What are the adverse effects of fluoroquinolones?
There are many ciprofloxacin.
Please mention 3.
Yeah, ciprofloxacin causes bone retardation, right? It also causes QT prolongation. And the third one is hepatotoxicity.
Please mention 3 drugs which causes gynecomastia.
first of all spironolactone, as well as ketoconazole, and there is
Cimetidine.
Cimetidine, yeah.
What is the drug interaction between furosemide and digoxin?
Digoxin toxicity.
What is the drug interaction between spironolactone and digoxin?
Again, digoxin toxicity.
What is the half-life of imidodorone?
It's in days.
How much? Up to 107 days.
Yeah.
What is the counseling point for tetracyclines?
Tetracycline causes photosensitivity, right? So you should use sunblock, as well as if tetracyclines are expired. So never use it because it can cause kidney failure.
What is the interaction between imidodorone and grapefruit juice?
Grapefruit juice is inhibitor, right? So it will increase the levels of imidodorone.
First-line therapy in scabies.
Permethrin 5%.
How to calculate dose of ivermectin?
Ivermectin dose is in micrograms, right?
How much?
So if 400 microgram is the dose per kg, so you should calculate it accordingly.
200 microgram per kg.
Yeah, 200 microgram per kg.
What is the famous side effect of doxorubicin and daunorubicin?
It's cardiotoxicity.
Cardiotoxicity. And which anti-cancer drug causes pulmonary toxicity?
Bleomycin and busulfan.
Okay. What is the dose of methotrexate?
500 mg weekly dose.
What is the dose of colchicine?
500 microgram. Yeah.
What is the side effect of isotretinoin?
Isotretinoin side effect is again photosensitivity.
Please mention any other side effect related to lips.
Related to lips,
It's cheilitis. Please tell me metronidazole is the first-line therapy in which case?
Clostridium difficile pseudomembranous colitis.
Which one is the second-line therapy?
Vancomycin.
In which case clindamycin is used?
Vulvovaginal infection.
Tell me something about linezolid.
Linezolid is used in the treatment of skin and skin structure infection, right? Bone infection, because it has a very good penetration towards skin, and also an MRSA.
Where norfloxacin is used?
UTI.
What are the other uses of levofloxacin?
They are known as respiratory fluoroquinolones. So it can be used in respiratory tract infection.
This drug have a role in severe skin infections? Yes or no?
Levofloxacin?
Yes.
Sorry, pass.
Yes.
It has.
Thank you so much for your time, Yahya.
Thank you.